Hello student, today we start BSc third year, paper 13, unit number 1, last bit, that is the culture of crab. It is very important in foreign country also, crab culture mostly. About the introduction of crab, Scylla serrata, mud crab or mangrove crab or black crab. Mangroves means sea water and the issue is water, that combination. The premises is called the mangroves area. Which are present, that is the Scylla serrata. Economically important because it is found in a foreign country, that is Australia, Africa, and especially our India is also found. Classification, that is kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, subphylum Crustacea, class Melocotistida, order Diapoda, family Protinidae, genus Scylla, and species Cerata. Then already told, that is the naturally Indo-Pacific region, found in Africa, South Africa, and Indian Ocean also, Japan and southeastern Australia. It is a commercial way. It can use be also commercially way. That is next aspect. That is the ecology of crab. A study on tidal flat of Julian crab when the size is 20 to 99 mm or 0.8 to 3.9 inches, it grown in mangroves zone during the low tide. Sea water have the low tide and high tide. In the flood, maybe possibility that time the high tide. Okay, then the water is stagnant. That time the low tide. Subadults, that is 100 to 149 mm or 3.9 to 5.9 inches, migrate into the interdial zone to feed a high tide. Okay, adult 150 mm or 5.9 and larger, where catch mainly below the low tide mark. In the low tide, that time the crab is catched. Crab is highly cannibalistic in nature. When crab is undergo molting, other hard shell will sometimes attract the molting crab. This is the important thing. The female can give a birth of millions, grow up to 3.6 kg. Then next, about the crab, mud crab farming. Main benefit of mud crab, that is the low labor cost, no need about the labor, low production cost, and grow faster. Then the mud crab farming methods. Two types of farming method. Number one, grow out system. Young crab can be raised and grow for a certain period, 5 to 6 months, to reach up to the marketable size. About the pond based, pond size depend on the production type. Generally 0.2 to 2 hectare it is used for the production or the culture of crab. Proper bunds is and tidal water exchange is must. Small size pond more suitable because easily maintained and managed also. Okay, depending upon the size, available facility 3 to 6 months. Commercial production and supplementary feeding 1 to 3 crabs per square meter. Then daily feeds 5% of their total body of crab. Regular sampling. This is about the one type. Next one, that is the fatting system. That is the pond size 0.025 to 0.2. Rising soft shell crab for a certain period until their exoskeleton get hardened. Okay, to 5 times more value in the market. Less time process is very profitable. Can be done two system: fatting in the pond or cage also. It can be culture also, cage and cage also. Then about the fatting in the pond of the size, that is 0.0 to 0.2 hectare size depth. Then the 1 to 2 per square meter stocking density. Divided the pond into different components according to the size of crab. In if it is big size, male and female crabs separate, good result and reduce mutual attacking and cannibalism. Depending upon the location of crab available, 8 to 12 fitting cycle can be done in 1 year. Okay. Then next one, the when you culture about the crab, that time the important thing is that the water. You can maintain the water about the salinity, temperature, oxygen, and pH. Salinity 15 to 25%. temperature 26 to 30 degrees centigrade, kilo oxygen 3 ppm, and pH, that is percentage of hydrogen ion, that is 7.8 to 8.5. Then about the feeding habit, crab need 5 to 8% food of their body weight. Okay, twice a day, 2 times in the day. Then about the technology, development and transport. Technology for the breeding is the most important thing. Production of mud crab has been standardized. Production and technology is most important. Then the technology, competitive maturation of mud with and without stick ablation has been developed. Standardization technology for a year-round production of crab. Then next, that is a package of practice for hatchery seed production of mud crabs also be developed. All this technology is very important for the culture of crab. Then about the last bit, that is the brood stock management. Brood means big size of crab. That is, female could be produced from the culture site itself. When mature, male and female are stocked together in a pond with salinity around the 33 ppt. Female invariable spawn and become ovigerous. Supply of fresh bivalve meat promotes faster development of gonads. Mature crabs and parrot crabs are available from commercial catches mostly during the March and May. Spawn collected from wild and maintained in hatchery spawn more than twice on a crate. Broodstock obtained to maintain carefully in separate tanks. It is the important point of broodstock. Broodstock means uh, long size of crab, mean fully mature of crab. Okay, thank you.